Hey guys, so you want to watch some of your best kills in Marvel Rivals, and this is how you do it. First stop would be to subscribe to the channel so you can always stay updated with what we post. Next, you want to go over to your avatar in the right hand corner and then go over to history, and this will show you all of the matches you've played. As I've said in previous videos, you can filter these on the top over here. Furthermore, you just want to hit play on whichever match you want to review. Now, after a decent amount of loading, if you're running on an old system like mine, you'll be brought into the match, and there are a lot of options here. Depending on what you're playing with, I'm using a Xbox controller, so you can see that you can fast forward, you can pause the match, you can switch players, you can go free view, you can up the speed, you can slow down the speed. You have a lot of options here to make some pretty cool content. You can even switch off the crazy UI elements that are all over the screen. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.